Let's say you went to a fish market and got this fish. You could just put it into the grill, but please take a moment and try making it into sashimi. Cleaning fish is a lot, but there is also a lot to learn from the experience. Fish have fins, but we don't want fins in our sashimi. So the first step of the cleaning is to remove the fins. Cut off the pelvic fins, then cut around the pectoral fins on both sides of the body like this. We then remove the head. Grabbing around the pectoral fin, cut the connection between the head and the body. You can actually see the trachea running through the body of the fish, which is cool. The next step is get rid of the organs. Cut the body and open the abdomen. Remove the guts and cut off the ventral side of the body. After that, remove the dorsal fins. Make a deep cut on the edges and peel off the fins. And now we cut off the body muscles for sashimi. If you take the cross section of the body, you see not only the muscles but also the ribs, the other bones, and the organs. The goal of the cleaning is to separate the right and the left hand side from the spines like this. In order to do that, we cut the fish along the spines. So let's start cutting out the muscles. Make a deep cut in the dorsal, then the ventral side along the spines. Then completely cut off the muscles along the vertebrae. And this is what the fish meat looks like. After cutting off both the left and the right hand side of the body, the leftover bones should look like this. Very thin, right? We then remove the leftover bones. If you remember or not, we are still left with these short bones and the ribs. So let's first get rid of the short bones. Since they locate in the middle of the body, we just cut that part off and separate the meat into two parts. Then we cut off the ribs. Grab the ventral side of the meat and run the knife along the ribs. Then rip off the skin. Finally, we cut the meat into pieces and you are done with the fish cleaning. Cleaning a fish is a great learning experience, so please try yourself cutting the fish if you ever have a chance to get a raw and fresh fish. And the good thing about the cooking is you can eat. Say thank you to your food and enjoy your fish.